In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute an athlete on Strava. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your feed focused without unfollowing anyone or hurting their feelings. Muting is a simple, private way to dial down the noise on your dashboard. It hides that athlete's activities from your feed while keeping the follow connection intact, and they won't be notified. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone and give it a moment to load the home screen. This is where you see your feed and the main navigation. If you use both iOS and Android, don't worry, this process is essentially the same on both. From the home screen, find the athlete you want to mute and open their profile. The quickest way is to use the search function. Tap the search icon, type their name, and select the correct profile from the results. You can also get to someone's profile by tapping their name or photo anywhere you see it in your feed. Take a second to make sure it's the right person by glancing at their profile details before you continue. On their profile page, look for the button that says Following. You'll typically find it near the top of the screen, close to their name and profile photo. Tap that Following button to open a small menu of options related to your connection with this athlete. In the menu that appears, choose the option that says Mute. That's it. Once you select Mute, their new activities will no longer appear in your feed. You're still following them, you can still visit their profile whenever you want, and they won't receive any notification that you muted them. It's a low-friction way to reduce clutter without making a social statement. A few helpful notes to keep in mind. Muting only affects what you see in your feed. It doesn't change your privacy settings or theirs. If you don't see the following button on their profile, you might not be following that athlete, and the mute option typically appears when you are. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same profile, tap the same button, and look for the option to unmute and bring their post back into your feed. And that's the entire process. Open the Strava app, navigate to the athlete's profile from the home screen, tap Following, and select Mute. It's quick, discreet, and completely reversible, helping you keep your feed focused on what motivates you most.